What's up, YouTube fan? Just coming back in with a little unboxing that I got. It's gonna be pretty sick. You know, I just bought them today, 150 bucks. Kind of pricey, but I think it was worth it. Alright, let's get into it. Alright guys, so first off, we got this nice Foot Locker bag. Kudos to Foot Locker. Thank you. Open it up. Okay, put that over there. There we go. It's gonna come in backwards, but I don't really care. Size 9.5, Nike Flyknit Racer. In this, you know, Nike box. I'm surprised it wasn't a Nike sportswear box, but whatever. Now let's get into it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, these look icy. Let me just take them out. Icy. Close up the box. There. Okay. There we go. Some nice Flyknit racers. Pretty good. So far, pretty good shoe. You know, I like it. Something new to add to my collection. Yeah, I like it. I'll give you guys a detailed review. Alright guys, just move that over there. Take a look. Alright, so first off, we got this nice Flyknit. It's black and white on the upper, and then it moves to this green Flywire right here. It's pretty cool. And then that white Nike swoosh. These like ribbon type laces. I like them. I like the concept. Got this like lunar lawn sole, I'm pretty sure. I don't really know. Don't be hating if I got that wrong. I'm loving the 3M back. It's pretty sick. You already know. And so it's black on this side, alright, right? And for the next side, white. Now I personally, I like that. Nice midsole. And in the insole. So let's take out the paper. Nike Racing. So yep. Pretty cool. Out. YouTube, whatever. We're gonna get on foot, and I am freezing my Cheez-Its off, so we're gonna have to make this quick. And it just snowed out last night, so there is snow on the ground. You might be able to see. Yeah, pretty cool. Let's get into it. Signing out is Mikey B. Chill. Alrighty, YouTube, thank you for watching. Thanks to all the fam, followers, and support y'all to be giving me. And guys, you gotta subscribe. If no one subscribes, I'm gonna be really mad. Oh my god, it's so cold! Whew. I'm gonna run inside because it's really cold. Alright, guys. Just give me a like, comment, subscribe. Thank you, please. You're the best. Keep it, Mikey B. Chill. YouTube, I'm sorry, this is my actual final thing, so I'll make it quick. Oh, jeez. I just fell and all that. Whatever. So, I'm sorry. I haven't been posting a lot. I'm really sorry. Now I'm gonna start posting. I promise you guys, I'm gonna start posting every Sunday, and I'm gonna pick another day. So I'm gonna start posting 2 days a week, every week. Now I can't do that unless I have some support. All right, guys. So I'm gonna need a couple subs. You know. All right. So just give me a couple subscribers, and you know I can make it happen. So thank you guys. Honestly, thank you for watching. Peace.